What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope y'all still praying. I hope y'all staying blessed, and I hope y'all hit that like button. I hope that y'all subscribe to the channel. And today, man, we got a new mod for the Charger, if you want to call it a mod. Or, you know, I should name this video turning my Dodge Charger into a BMW. But I already know y'all probably see it from the thumbnail and the title. I mean, the title doesn't really give it away, but y'all gonna see. But I did order some new mirror caps for my car. They're the horn style mirror caps, and I'm just hoping they fit pretty good on there. I guess they didn't have too many reviews, but I guess they were good enough that people liked it because they had 4 and 5-star reviews. It was only a couple, but hey, it is what it is. If I don't like it, I'll just return it. And then tomorrow we're gonna be going out to church, me and my fiance and some friends. Then we're gonna go out to eat. So I'll probably just add that into the video too. Right now I'm driving home to go pick them up because it just said it got delivered. And so yeah, man, I guess I'll get back to y'all when we pick it up. You guys, this actually looks pretty dope. It's a little dusty, but yeah, that's the horn style. Dude, hopefully you can kind of see how it has that BMW look. Yo, let's see if it lines up on the car really good. I'm ashy. Oh my goodness. Don't look at it. All right, since I have the right one, let's see how the right one fits. Huh. It's actually not that bad. It's a little. Oh. Yo, it actually fits pretty good. Hold on. Yeah, this is. Look at it. Look at it. Oh yeah, that's hard. That's hard. That BMW look, yeah. Cause you know I'm slow, so I want to be faster, so I had to get that BMW look. Dude, it fits pretty snug on there. I'm not gonna lie. Let me fit check the other one to make sure it's all Gucci. Here's a different look. I like it. But yeah, these actually look pretty good. Like, it doesn't come with the tape on there already. I have to do it myself. I might just get ones that are a little bit better, because you know how the stuff, the 3M tape that be coming with, you know, stuff like this ain't always the best, but yeah, it's decent. All right, so I'm probably gonna head back to where I was at and install these. Damn, we ran into it in traffic. That's hard. Yeah, that joint hard. Damn. With the carbon? Oh yeah, we gotta play around with him. On the way back, I ran into somebody. I'm going the wrong way, but now we got an SRT. Another SRT? Look, he even got SRT on the thing. Look, then you got that. People are out today. All right, y'all. Let's see if he gonna hit it. That boy hard though. I got us to go. Hey, hit it though. Okay, y'all, wipe down my side view mirror. We got the 3M tape up on there. We're gonna fit it up on there. You know what? Let me do it with 2 hands just in case. Yeah, bro, look at how they look now. Yeah, dude, these ain't going nowhere. Like, they like type click in, like I saw in like the other clip. What y'all think, man? These look fire. Yeah, look at this one. Dude, it is not budging. Like, low-key, 3M tape for sure though, but it's like it ain't even needed for real. I ain't gonna lie. It like clips right on. Yeah, man, it don't even show my paint, man. The only thing I don't like is like this little crease right here. But yeah, man, what y'all think? Looks pretty dope. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all, we made it out. Screen a little foggy. I'm off. Is that better? Oh, look at that. That glare is crazy, but yeah. We at church, we're just gonna be waiting for a couple friends, pull up, and yeah, continuing lit. All right, y'all, we made it to the restaurant. We had Lazy Dog with it. Look at, why is this the first thing we see? What the? That's nuts. Senor, what is that?
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh.
What is it?
Is that you guys?
Breakfast.
What?
That's said someone's oh my goodness.
Someone's breakfast?
All right, y'all, we got our food. All the dudes, fish tacos, females, whatever that is, I don't know. But we gonna go ahead and eat and get back to y'all later. All right, y'all, it's some time later. Matter of fact, let me put up these windows. It's some time later. Man, we had the food and everything. It was a good day. Went to church and all that. I had some food at Lazy Dog, and yeah, it's been a good weekend, man. But thank you guys. But I thank you guys for tuning into the video. I'm gonna leave a link to where I bought the mirror caps if you guys are interested in them. And once again, man, hope y'all still praying, hope y'all still blessed. Make sure you all like the video, hit the subscribe button, man, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.